How to log out of the Booking.com mobile application from your smartphone. Hey everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. If you're wondering how you can log out of the Booking.com mobile app, then no worries at all. You are in the right place. First of all, launch open the Booking.com app on your device. And once you're inside the home page of Booking.com, go to the bottom right corner and tap on My Account. Now, from this page, scroll all the way down and look for the Sign Out option in red. Before clicking on Sign Out, make sure that you remember your credentials to log back in anytime you want again. If you're sure you want to log out, tap on Sign Out and click Proceed. And you have successfully logged out of the Booking.com mobile application. That's how you easily do it. Thanks for following along. If you found the video to be helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more easy tutorials for you. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.